Hi everyone, it's me Ashraf and welcome to my new video. I have got the Zhiyun WEEBILL 3 here with me today and I'm going to give you step-by-step run through on how to complete the initial setup, how to balance your camera and connect with app. First, I am doing the unboxing. If you're not interested this, you could skip it. There is chapters added in the video, so you can skip to desired section which you want. I have brought the WEEBILL 3 combo box from Zhiyun India. It has 2 years warranty and it cost 50k for combo, and if without combo, it has 45k, but I have got this discounted price 42,999. If you're interested, just come in comment box, I can share the details. These are the items included in the combo package. Wrist rest, extendable sling grip and backpack is extra in the combo package. Now I will show you how to set up and balance the camera on WEEBILL 3. Here I am using the camera Sony A7IV and lens Sigma 24-70. It's bit heavy setup. We will see how WEEBILL 3 going to handle this. First, connect the tripod. Now the gimbal perfectly sitting. Then unlock all the 3 axes of the gimbal. Then fix the quick release plate on camera. It's coming with double layer plate, one you can fix in camera and other one on the gimbal. Make sure the lock lever placed in the left side, so it's easy to handle. Adjust the place in middle and tighten the screw. For screw tightening tool coming with gimbal itself, you can find here. It is magnet base, will not fall off. After use you can keep it here itself. Next, fix the quick release plate other layer on Zhiyun WEEBILL 3. Before that, release all axis lock. You have unlocked all the 3 axes. Once done that, you can see gimbal is free flowing all the directions. Then keep the arms like this position and lock one by one axis again. Once all 3 axes lock, gimbal will stand like this. Next, fix the quick release plate. Here you can see the arrow, push the plate, make sure the hole in front. There we will fix the lens support. Once placed properly, lock the plate. Next, fix the lens supporter. We fixed quick release plate both in camera and gimbal. Now we can fix the camera on gimbal and lock it. You can always unlock the adjust the plate if required. Yes, the setup is over. Now we need to balance the camera on gimbal. This is the important part, watch it carefully. First you unlock all the axes. You can see camera not balanced. It should be balanced. Which position keep the camera, that should balance there. Here is good thing is, Zhiyun WEEBILL 3 can be balanced without much struggle. Let's see how to do that. First you lock pan and roll axis and keep tilt axis unlock. Then unlock the quick release plate on gimbal and adjust it. Once the camera balancing like this, then lock it again. You can note the measurements which is on quick release plate. Next time you can keep the same position and lock it. Now this position perfectly balanced. Now I am checking downward balance. It's not correct now. For fixing this, adjust the tilt arm plate. Once balanced, lock it. Now you can see camera balanced perfectly, straight, downward and upward. Once done that, lock the tilt axis and then unlock the roll axis. You can see roll axis not balanced with camera. For fix this, unlock this and adjust, then lock again. Now the camera perfectly balanced. If required, you can adjust the pan axis balance also, but generally other axis balanced properly, then it will adjust automatically. Once done all this, you can unlock all axis and check it out. If it properly balanced, which position you keep the camera, that will balance there. If not balanced, means there is some more adjust, you must do it. No issues, just check it out all the position once again. And now you can connect the extra combo accessories, extendable sling grip and wrist rest. You can choose which side you want to fix this. Both side you can fix this. Now all setup is ready. You can turn it on and check it out. So friends, it has easy setup with Zhiyun WEEBILL 3. I will use this for my upcoming video recordings and will update you how the gimbal works. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. Thank you all for watching the video.